म्हणजे आमगेली जे असेंब्ली सेशनाचेर जे मुद्दे घेवपाक जाय वॉट एवर medium with regards to LAQs or calling attention 0R, we had a review and we had a strategy of how to take on this corrupt government. म्हाका खात्री आहा की 3 दिसाची असेंब्ली सेशन पयले सुवातेर तेमी कटेल केल्या. It is a budget session and I fail to understand. The general view was why when they have a brute majority of 33 they fail with the few numbers that we have in the opposition. But म्हाका एक खात्री आहा जे प्रश्न गोंयचे with regards to scarcity of water, with regards to bad roads, with regards to the financial crisis, with regards to crime, law and order, rapes, murders, yes, सगळे जरी तर चयल्यार recruitment scam, all this, if we look at all these things, it is clear that we will, as an opposition, we will put this government on the mat. Although it is 3 days, with whatever opportunities we have, आज the way they are bulldozing with the bills by आमचे rules suspend करून under 306, they are suspending the rules. And खास करून आज जेन्ना प्रायवेट मेंबर्स रेजोल्युशनाचो दीस हो आमचो एक हक, एक अधिकार, तोही म्हाका दिसता कटेल करपा ह्या सरकारान प्रयत्न केला. सो ऑल दीज इश्यूज स्पेशली वी टुगेदर एज गोंयकार विल फायट अगेन्स्ट दीस गवर्नमेंट डेट इज ऑफ शर्माज एंड द वर्माज. सो वी विल सी ऑल ऑफ अस टुगेदर पुटिंग दीस गवर्नमेंट ऑन द मॅप.
तुमच्या बरोबर RG MLA हल्ला.
वी called the RG MLA. It is my duty as opposition MLA to call everyone, but he didn't turn up.
So it will be a joint strategy.
Definitely, we as opposition MLAs, all of us met and we decided the strategy, how to go about and how to corner this government.